Hello kids, welcome to Bright Kids Learning. Today we learn a name of animals. This is a dog, dog says. This is a cat, cat says. This is a rabbit. Rabbit hops fast. This is a cow. Cow gives us milk. This is a monkey. Monkey loves bananas. This is an elephant. Elephant is very big. This is a lion. Lion is the king of the jungle. This is a horse. Horse run fast. This is a hen. Hen gives us eggs. This is a tiger. Tiger is very strong. Great jobs kids, now you know the names of animals. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye kids.